This tutorial is about finding the area of a circle. Your formula that you use is area is equal to pi times the radius squared. Keep in mind, the only thing that you are squaring is the radius, right? So what you can also write down is pi times the radius, if that helps you remember it. All right, so here we go. We have this circle that has a diameter that's given to us. Notice we need the radius. So you need to take your diameter and divide it by 2 to get the radius. So if our diameter is 16, that means our radius, right here, is 8. So start with your formula. Area is equal to pi r squared. Fill in, we're going to use 3.14 for pi. Radius is 8. And I'm going to go ahead and just write it like that. All right, get out our calculator. We do 3.14 times 8 times 8. And we get 200.96. So 200.96. I have to label it, so I'm going to say yards. And because it's area, it will be squared. Because I took 3.14 times 8 yards times 8 yards. And the only way to show that you multiplied yards times yards is to say it's yards squared, because that means yards times yards. All right. If they ask you to leave it in terms of pi, then you simply say that it's 64 pi yards squared. 64 came from 8 times 8. All right, moving on to another example. We have a circle that's been given to us that has a radius of 5. So I don't have to find the radius, it's given to me. So again, start with your formula, pi r squared. So we're going to transform that to 3.14, do 5 times 5. So again, on our calculator, 3.14 times 5 times 5, gives us 78.5. So 78.5, and we're in inches. And again, square the inches. All right, in terms of pi, it would be pi times 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. So really, 25 pi inches squared. All right, they don't always give you pictures. Sometimes they just flat out say you have a circle that has a diameter of 25. Okay, I need to find the radius real quick. So that means I need to do 25 divided by 2, which gives me 12.5. So formula, pi times the radius squared. So 3.14 times 12.5 times 12.5. On my calculator, 3.14 times 12.5 times 12.5 gives me 490. And let's say they told us to round to the nearest tenths. So 490.6. So the area is 490.6 centimeters squared. And in terms of pi, 12.5 times 12.5 give me 156.3 if I'm rounding to the tenths. 156.3. So 156.3 pi centimeters squared. I hope that helps you.